So if you want to create a real account on MetaTrader 5 and actually start trading, in this video, I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can get started the right way. But before that, make sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up. Now, let's get into it. First, make sure you have downloaded and installed the MetaTrader 5 app from the App Store or Google Play. It's important to have the latest version so everything works smoothly. And when you open the app for the first time, you will see a privacy policy. Go ahead and read through it if you want, then tap accept to continue. And then MetaTrader will ask if you want to open a demo account. Just skip that. We're setting up a real account today. To use MetaTrader 5 with real money, you will need a broker. Some popular brokers include Deriv.com or FBS, but for this tutorial, we'll use Deriv.com as an example. So the next step, you want to open your browser and go to app.deriv.com, sign up using your email and password, or sign in with your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. I'm gonna sign in with my Google account. And yeah, once you sign up, check your inbox and click the verification link to confirm your email. And then, before you can fund your account, make sure to complete the verification process. This usually means filling up personal information and confirming your details. You can verify your broker by tapping on the demo label and switch to real. But if you have verified your account, you will be able to switch to real. And once you're switched to real account, choose GFDs, which are tradable in MetaTrader 5. Then you can click on Get next to your preferred account type, like Deriv Standard. Then you will ask to create your MT5 password. This is different from your broker password, and you'll be given a login ID for MetaTrader 5. The next step is you want to open the MT5 app again. Then you can tap Login to an existing account, enter your login ID and MT5 password, and once you're in, you're ready to trade. You can also log in faster by going to your broker site and tapping Trade with MetaTrader 5. This will automatically fill in your broker name, server, and login ID. Now you can add currency pairs by tapping the plus icon in the app. You'll be able to view live charts, your balance, and any open trade. And that's it. You have got your real account set up and ready to go. I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.